Camping tips that can help every level of camper. Whether you choose to go camping by yourself or take the whole family, few destinations make for such amazing fun and adventure. Learn how to make the most of your time with nature in the great outdoors, by watching the following tips that will guide you to the best camping trip ever. If you are traveling with children, consider staying at a campground that is specifically designated for families. Campers in these areas know what to expect and will not have an issue if you have a cranky toddler or your children want to run around, scream and play. You will probably be more relaxed as a result and have a better time. Know what is available in the area around your campsite. You may get lucky and have beautiful weather the entire time. However, you may also face inclement weather, too. Have a backup plan in case you need a diversion. This is particularly crucial if you have kids, but adults need a little entertainment as well. Put together a survival pack and have it on you all the time. In addition to your first aid kit, you need waterproof matches, a flare gun, water purifying tablets and a knife. For any life-threatening situation, these items may be the only thing standing between you and disaster. Keep your kit with you at all times, don't leave it at the campsite. Let people know where your group is headed. Just in case anything happens to any of you, you want to know that there are people who know where you are at. This is a good precautionary measure to take if something were to happen to your camping group, because help will be on the way soon. Learning and living with nature is one of the best ways to spend your hard-earned vacation time. Pack and prepare with everything you need to make your camping adventure a success, and be sure to keep all the tips from this video in mind to make it go more smoothly. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.